Pushpa Part 2 movie review. Yes, after many days, I went to the cinema hall in early morning shows because the ticket prices were less, and I saw the movie Pushpa Part 2. So, how is the movie? According to me, I was not satisfied because of the content. Let me talk about the positives. Performance by Allu Arjun is fantastic. Great actor. And director Sukumar is a wonderful director. He has vision. He knows what people want to watch, and he fed the people exactly. And that is why this movie is a blockbuster. Yes, it is a better movie than KGF Chapter 2. For KGF Chapter 2, I gave 0 out of 5. It was terrible for me. But Pushpa Part 2 is a bit different. There is a lot of spice, good writing of the movie, and I can see lot of efforts. लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत किया है, डायरेक्टर, उनकी टीम सभी ने बहुत मेहनत किया है, बहुत पैसा खर्चा किया है एक एक फ्रेम के लिए. So that has to be appreciated, that lot of hard work, dedication has been put in making this movie Pushpa Part 2. But my rating for this movie is 2 stars out of 5, and I will tell you why. I have some major issues in this movie. Now, if such movies become blockbusters, it shows that the value system of people are going down. Yes, in this movie, the positive aspect is this movie portrayed good family values, which is essential, wonderful. And Pushpa being shown as a man who has love and respect for women, he loves people, at the core, he's a soft-hearted man. All those things are positives. But this movie, that is Pushpa Part 2, glamorized smuggling and materialism. We live in a country where so many people are in poverty, and for them this is a relief. They see that Pushpa, who has a lot of money and power, is able to supply things for needy people. So that becomes appealing to a lot of people. People want a materialistic lifestyle, and people who love materialistic lifestyle, they will love this movie. So what I didn't like is glamorizing smuggling and materialism. And the third negative part is they portray policemen in a very poor light. Convincingly, policemen are portrayed as villains. Politicians are corrupt, policemen are wicked. So the way Pushpa is portrayed in a very convincing manner, it catered to the audience. No doubt this movie is a blockbuster. But for me, portraying policemen in a negative light, glamorizing smuggling, glamorizing materialism, where are we headed? It will create a negative impact on the youths. So if our value system are going down, what positivity can we expect in our country, in our nation? So I had those issues. So based on the content, my rating for Pushpa 2 is 2 stars out of 5. Yes, most of the people have liked it. It is a blockbuster. People are watching it again and again. I have just watched only once, and that is enough for me. So that is my honest review for Pushpa Part 2. Have a good day.